Hi, I'm Jay and this is my first video. My channel is about like just fixing those computer or making them and then play some games. And this is a ASUS Vivobook S510U, well actually UA. So yeah, this type of computer, and this computer is actually very popular. It's cheap, about like $1,000, Canadian dollar, and yeah, it's pretty popular. But on YouTube, there were only like very few people using, like making video about this. So yeah, today I'm going to tear down or disassemble this computer and tell you what the things are inside. Yeah, let's start. First we turn back and yeah, easy. Take all the nails off. Oh wait, I forgot. Those are not nails. Those are screws. I'm a bad English because I just came to Canada for like 1 year. Yeah, so yeah, that's why my English bad. But yeah, now as you can see, I've removed all the screws out there, but we still can open this. That's because there are still two more screws under this. My nails are long, so that's why I can take them out easily. But yeah, you can use some other tools like a knife or something like that's flat. Yes, it's pretty easy to take off. And there are two more black screws down there, and we have to take them out. And now we can easily just take them out. Alright, not easy at all. Yep. This is what the inside looks like in this computer, and yeah, let's see. This is the fan. It's like very quiet when it's like spinning, and that's a CPU and GPU. They are at the same place. So yeah, like that, and that's a RAM, 2 slots. There's only it comes with 1 slot, and that's a hard drive HDD, and that's a SSD. Yeah, why I'm always saying STD. And yeah, those are the ports, and I forgot. I don't know what's that, but yeah, that's a Wi-Fi card, PCI, mini PCI, I think. Yeah, and those I think are the batteries, and these two are the speakers, and yeah, that is all. And some people are already done to now like open this, and but they didn't like really take the things out. So yeah, today I'm doing this. This is the keyboard's cable, so yeah, these two don't pull them out. Like last time I pulled them out, and there are 2 or 3 of them that are not fully like inside. So yeah, the keyboards are not working. Yeah, and yeah, first we are taking out the RAM. The RAM was very easy. You just pull 2 of them on the side out, and yeah, it will come out easily. And the second thing we're going to take out is the SSD. It only has 1 screw, so it's very easy to take out, and the screw is like very short, like very tiny. Yeah, and also in this whole computer, you only need like 1 Phillips screwdriver. It's so easy to like take out. So yeah, and the neck, we just take the SSD out. It comes with a SSD that's by Toshiba. I mean Toshiba, and yeah, it's how many gigs? It's of course I forgot. I quit. I can't see it. Yeah, and the next we're taking out is the hard drive. The hard drive is quite hard. Then it's a bit harder than other. And yeah, I'm trying to fully disassemble the hard drive, but yeah, I failed. Yeah, there are like 2 screws here and some screws on the side. 1 screw back there and 4 screws on the side. So we are taking them out. Yeah, and now we can like first pull it a bit, like tiny bit. Don't pull too much, or else this will break. And then pull it on the side. And yeah, that's a SSD. And yeah, and how can you like take the hard drive out? It's just like unscrew all of them on the side, but I'm not going to do that because it takes a bunch of time. Yeah, like that. So we've got like 3 things already. And then next thing is, yeah, the fan. The fan, we already removed 2 of them while we are taking out the cover. So yeah, there's 1 more. So yeah, and after when you're taking, oh wait, I forgot to like yeah, the cable, I forgot to take it out. And now you can just take this, like pull this a bit and then slide this out. And now we have the fan now. And then we have the PCI connected power no, I mean Wi-Fi card here. And the Wi-Fi card here, we are going to like remove the 2 cables first. And then we remove the screw, unscrew the screw. And yeah, it just came out like instantly. Yeah, and that is. Yeah, and now with what I think I already take everything that could take out. Like the battery, I'm not trying to take them out. And also speakers are like cannot be taken out. And then yeah, that's it. I think that's all of them. Yeah, let me think. Yeah, also you can remove the like the 4 screws on the CPU and the GPU, but I think I can't. Yeah, after I unscrew all of them, I can't like really take this out and replace their thermal paste. So yeah, I can't. I think it's like fully soldered in, so like that. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and yeah. And also, I have my friend. He has a channel just for like playing games, like yeah, gaming. And I forgot his name, and I will leave his like link to in the comment. I mean not comment, in the description. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I will make more of these. Yeah. Bye.